Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best unique three-wheeled mobility scooter of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1: Adult Tricycle Trends Mobility Scooter. The concept of Adult Tricycle Trends Mobility Scooter encompasses a range of innovative and practical solutions for personal transportation. In recent years, there has been a notable surge in the popularity and development of electric adult tricycles, mobility scooters, mini tuk-tuks, and other three-wheel vehicles. These alternatives to traditional bicycles or four-wheelers cater to individuals seeking enhanced stability, comfort, and ease of use. Electric adult tricycles have gained traction due to their eco-friendly nature and the convenience of electric propulsion. These vehicles often come equipped with electric motors, allowing users to travel without the physical exertion required in traditional tricycles. The electric aspect not only reduces the environmental impact, but also provides a viable option for those with limited physical mobility. Mobility scooters, a subset of this trend, serve as a practical solution for individuals with mobility challenges. These scooters are designed to offer a comfortable and accessible mode of transportation, enabling users to navigate urban environments or perform daily activities with greater independence. The emergence of mini tuk-tuks and trike taxis reflects a shift toward compact and efficient urban transportation solutions. These smaller vehicles are designed for short-distance travel, providing an alternative to conventional cars and larger public transportation options. The Sien design, or scientifically designed features, in these vehicles emphasize functionality, safety, and user-friendly interfaces. Rickshaws, both traditional and modernized versions, are also part of this evolving trend. With an emphasis on sustainability and efficient urban mobility, these three-wheel bikes are being explored as viable options for last-mile connectivity in crowded urban areas. In conclusion, the adult tricycle trends mobility scooter landscape is witnessing a dynamic evolution, driven by the need for sustainable, accessible, and user-friendly personal transportation solutions. Whether in the form of electric tricycles, mobility scooters, mini tuk-tuks, or innovative rickshaws, these vehicles are contributing to a more diverse and inclusive mobility ecosystem. As urban environments continue to grow and evolve, these trends are likely to play a significant role in shaping the future of personal transportation. Product 2: Electric Tricycle for Adults. The electric tricycle for adults is a versatile and powerful mode of personal transportation designed specifically for adults. Featuring a robust 48V500W dual-motor system, this electric tricycle offers efficient and reliable propulsion. The dual-motor setup ensures ample power, making it suitable for various terrains and providing a smooth and comfortable riding experience. With its three-wheel configuration, this electric tricycle offers stability and balance, making it an ideal choice for adults seeking a secure and easy-to-operate vehicle. The design incorporates a parent-child element, allowing users to share the riding experience, making it suitable for family outings or leisure activities. The mobility scooter is equipped with practical features, such as a user-friendly control system and durable construction. The 48V battery system ensures a decent range, allowing users to cover substantial distances on a single charge. This makes the electric tricycle a convenient option. Available in a stylish pink and white color combination, the electric tricycle adds a touch of personalization and aesthetic appeal. Whether for daily commuting or leisurely rides, this electric tricycle for adults offers a reliable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional modes of transportation. Overall, it caters to the specific needs of adults, combining power, stability, and convenience in an Product 3: The Disabled Three-Wheels Folding Electric Mobility Tricycle. The Disabled Three-Wheels Folding Electric Mobility Tricycle is an innovative and convenient solution designed to cater to the mobility needs of individuals with disabilities. This three-wheeled scooter is specifically crafted for adults and comes equipped with advanced features to enhance comfort and ease of use. One notable feature of this mobility tricycle is its folding mechanism, allowing for easy storage and transportation. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals with limited space or those who need to travel with their mobility device. The folding capability enhances the tricycle's overall versatility, making it a practical choice for various environments. The electric propulsion system adds an element of efficiency and ease to the tricycle. With an electric motor, users can enjoy a smoother and less strenuous ride, especially over longer distances. The inclusion of suspension further contributes to a comfortable and stable ride, absorbing shocks and vibrations in surfaces. The three-wheeled design offers stability and balance, making it a safe option for individuals with mobility challenges. This tricycle is designed to provide independence and freedom of movement to those who may face difficulties with traditional modes of transportation. Overall, the disabled three-wheels folding electric mobility tricycle is a modern and inclusive solution that combines functionality, convenience, and accessibility for individuals with disabilities. Its compact design, electric propulsion, and suspension system make it a reliable and user-friendly option for adults seeking enhanced mobility and autonomy in their daily lives. Product name: He three-wheel electric scooter. The three-wheel electric scooter, designed specifically for old people, is a thoughtful and practical mobility solution catered to the needs of seniors. This specialized scooter features a stable and secure three-wheel design, providing enhanced balance and maneuverability for elderly individuals who may require additional support. With a compact 10-inch size, the scooter is not only easy to handle, it also offers portability through its folding mechanism, making it convenient for storage and transportation. Equipped with a 350W motor, this electric tricycle ensures a smooth and efficient ride, allowing seniors to travel comfortably and easily navigate through various terrains. The scooter's design prioritizes safety, with features such as anti-slip pedals, reliable brakes, and a sturdy frame to provide a secure riding experience. The emphasis on user-friendly controls and a simple interface makes it accessible for older individuals who may not be familiar with complex technology. The electric scooter is tailored to address the specific mobility challenges faced by seniors, promoting independence and an active lifestyle. Its combination of stability, portability, and user-friendly features makes it an ideal choice for older individuals seeking a reliable and convenient electric tricycle for their daily mobility needs. Product name: The three-wheel folding electric mobility scooter. The three-wheel folding electric mobility scooter is a revolutionary and highly convenient mode of transportation, designed to cater specifically to the needs of seniors and individuals with disabilities. This compact and versatile vehicle provides a practical solution for those seeking enhanced mobility and independence. Featuring a unique folding mechanism, this electric mobility scooter offers unparalleled convenience for users. The ability to fold the scooter makes it easy to transport and store, addressing common challenges faced by seniors and individuals with limited physical capabilities. The folding feature also makes it a suitable choice for those with limited storage space at home or during travel. The inclusion of an electric motor adds an extra layer of accessibility, allowing users to effortlessly maneuver the scooter without the physical exertion typically associated with traditional mobility aids. The electric propulsion is not only convenient but also environmentally friendly. Equipped with three wheels, balance, crucial for users who may have difficulty maintaining equilibrium. The suspension system further enhances the overall riding experience, ensuring a smooth and comfortable journey even on uneven terrains. This feature is particularly beneficial for seniors and individuals with mobility challenges, as it minimizes the impact on joints and provides a safer means of transportation. Tailored for adults, the three-wheel folding electric mobility scooter emphasizes user-friendly controls, ergonomic design, and safety features. These considerations are essential for individuals with varying levels of physical abilities, ensuring a secure and reliable mode of transportation. In conclusion, the three-wheel folding electric mobility scooter serves as an innovative solution for seniors and individuals with disabilities, offering a practical and efficient means of enhancing their mobility and overall quality of life. The combination of folding is a well-rounded choice for those seeking a reliable and user-friendly mobility. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.